Waking up at 3 a.m. stressed about money. What if I told you the solution is just 15 seconds away? Bills piling up? Debt weighing you down? You're not alone. Millions of people feel the same stress every night, losing sleep over money worries. It's exhausting. The guilt, the worry, the feeling that no matter how hard you work, it's never enough. But what if I told you there's a way out? With digital marketing, you can earn real income in less than 2 hours a day. Imagine keeping 100% of the profits, selling digital products over and over, and finally taking control of your finances. Thousands of people just like you have transformed their lives. They've gone from sleepless nights to debt-free dreams, and you can too. Ready to stop the stress and start living? Comment debt below, and I'll send you the blueprint to financial freedom. Your debt-free journey starts now. Don't let debt control your life. Take the first step today. Don't wait. Your future starts today. Success is for the bold. Your debt-free dreams are closer than you think. Type ready in the comments and I'll send you the blueprint.